Hi, good morning students. Welcome back to my class. In last section, we studied some important questions. Now we are going to discuss some many more important questions. Okay, let's begin. Question number 11. Let us dash tomorrow. Let us dash tomorrow. Remember that after letters, we use base form of the verb. V1, V2, V3. Meet, met, met. So this is a base form. Meet is a base form. Have no endings like s, ed or ing form. Okay. So option is A, meat, B, meat, this meat, chicken, mutton, meat. Met. Met means past. Okay na? It comes under V2 form. D, mute. Mute, you know that. Mute means silence. Okay na? Are you understanding? Are you getting my points? Meet. After letters, we use V1 form. Base form of the verb. Therefore, our answer is option A. Meet. It is a base form of the verb. Okay? Come to next question. Now the question is, action speaks louder than words. Choose the correct option. Option A, word is better than action. Option B, action can speak words. Option C, one should implement his action rather than keep talking about them. D is, action is better speaker than word. This action speaks louder than words. This proverb means we should work instead of only talking. So the right answer is C. Option C. One should implement his action. Action means work. Implement his work rather than keep talking about them. Rather than only talking. So the right option is C. Let's come to next question. This is dash adventurous story. We know the articles. Articles, there are 3 articles. Which are they? They are the, and, ye. We know that English have 26 alphabet letters. Okay. In 26 alphabet letter, 5 are vowels, 21 are consonants. 5 are vowels, 21 are consonants. Next, the is used only for the specific singular or plural noun. And only we use and before the word starts with vowel sounds. Okay na, vowel sounds. A, we use A only before consonants. The word starts with consonants. Okay na. Now here adventurous starts with vowel sound. A, we use an. So we use an. Let's see here, option A, on. It comes under preposition. On is come under preposition. A, it's used before consonants. The, we use before the specific noun. So, an is used before the word starts with vowels. Here adventurous starts with vowels, so we use an. An is the right option. Next question. The bravery awards are announced on. See here options. A, 1st March. 1st March is celebrated as Global Awareness Day. Okay. B, 5th September. We know that 5th September is celebrated as Teachers Day. 14th November. 14th November we know that celebrated as Children's Day. On 2nd October we celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Here the question is Bravery awards are announced on. Bravery awards are the awards which are given to 18 years below age of 18 years. Okay, so they are announced on 14th November, Children's Day. So the next question. Pythias and Damon kept there. This question is taken from the lesson True Friendship. They both are friends, true friends. They show ultimate power of true friendship and loyalty. Okay, they are the true friend. They keep their promises. So the option C is right option. Next question. Now the question is the first name of Swami Vivekananda. He belongs to Bengali family. He belongs to Bengali family. His childhood name was Narendranath Datta. So often shortened to Narendra. So option D is right answer. It is not a textbook. Dash a notebook. The approximate conjunction to be filled in the blank is. See here. Conjunction. Conjunction means connecting words. Connecting words. Act as a glue for words. It connects sentence to sentence, words to words. So an easy way to remember this is fan voice. F-A-N. Fan. B-O-Y-S. See here, all options are A, but, B, or C, yet. D option is and. These are all conjunctions. But how we select the correct conjunction means, see here, fan. F tends to for. A, and. N, nor. B, but. Y, it. Yes. So these are conjunction words. So but is used only for similar words, similar reasons. Because and used to connect one thing to another thing. Okay, then nor is used to present alternative negative ideas. Okay, then but is used to show difference. When we show difference, we use but. So R is used for choice. Okay, then yet is used for surprising difference. Okay, then so is used for a result, last exact result. So now the question is, it is not a textbook, dash a notebook. I told that when we show difference, we use but. So the right answer is option A. Next question. Now the question is, the opposite of the word active is. Active means energetic. Active means energetic. Opposite is lazy. Opposite is lazy. Active means energetic. Okay. So the right option is D. D is the right answer. Now the question is, how nice it is to drive a coach. How nice it is to drive a coach. See here, the sentence which shows strong feelings and ended with exclamatory mark. The sentence called exclamatory sentence. Options is A, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence which shows direct command, request or order, called imperative sentence. So exclamatory sentence means, I already told you that the sentence which shows strong feeling and emotions and ended with exclamatory mark or exclamatory mark. See, assertive sentence is a sentence which which have a statement, okay, which gives correct statements. Now interrogative sentence means which asks questions. Who is your teacher? Who is going there? Where is your bag, etc. Okay, the right option is B. B is the right answer. Exclamatory sentence. Nandini was. In this story, Nandini was the daughter of Kamadhenu. This question is taken from the 5th standard textbook. So, in this story, Nandini was daughter of Kamadhenu. Right option is C. C is the right answer. I think you understand my concept. If you understand my concept, like my video. If you have any doubt, comment me in comment section. Subscribe our channel. Till then, see you in next class. Bye bye.